I'm Tyler Freeman. I'm going to talk about the DrumPants. It sends MIDI or open sound control messages, so you can send it to pretty much any kind of like performance software that you need, like Ableton Live or Volume Avenue. I came up with the idea of DrumPants back in 2006 in grad school. And then 4 years later, I moved to the Netherlands and met Andy Zingerle, an Austrian artist, at Big South Lab, and we thought up the V-Jacket. And Big South Lab is basically the Dutch government wanted to gentrify the area of Rotterdam South, so we came in and tried to teach the kids about art and technology and give them some chance to survive in the neighborhood. The kids were really creative and very musical, so we wanted to bring that in. We made the V-Jacket and the DrumPants so they could like channel their physical creativity into learning about computers and MIDI. They actually put on a VGA hip-hop concert with the techniques we showed them. I think this is really great for kids who live in urban areas that they can't fit a whole drum set in their apartment, tiny little apartment or whatever, and they just wear the pants instead. And that allows them to be mobile, and they can create wherever they are, and they can, you know, just hang out with their friends in the playground or on the street and jam out, you know, instead of having to have like a big studio and lots of equipment and stuff. So we wanted to make the hardware and software open source to get this idea out there to as many people as possible. So it's all built using the Arduino. We also made a website with the instructions on how to make your own with all the instructables. One thing we noticed is the kids didn't really want to spend 3 days building this jacket and attaching all the sensors to their clothes and everything. It was quite a lot of work, and they just wanted to, you know, bust out the jams on their pants. What I want to do next is create like a DrumPants product that you can just take out of the box, put them on, and start playing away. It'll also hook up to your phone or your desktop wirelessly through Bluetooth, and you can do more complicated things with it than just playing drum sounds. We tried to make it easy to use and easy to configure at first, but also give it a strong analog to what's happening with the sensors in the hardware, and teach the kids about sensors and signal processing while they're making these performance interfaces. The biggest thing I am excited about is to see what these kids come up with. Right now it's just drumming, but they could make poetry by playing drum beats or control games by bending their arms. Andy's student in Austria just came up with a VJ umbrella with the same technology. So we're really trying to encourage kids to be creative and come up with new ways of interacting with their clothes. I hope you liked it. If you want to know more, go to drumpants.com. Thanks.